Here's a fun project I just completed for customer Jamie. It's called Daydream, and you can see the NeXT operating system here. If we launch the little Daydream application, it's pretty cool. So take a couple minutes, and what it's doing now, it's kind of thinking. It's thinking away. And then we want to go, and then click Start Daydream. And this is pretty neat. As we twiddle our thumbs. So I had quite the experience getting this one working. And as you can see, what it's doing now, it's booting Daydream. So now it's going to start up the application. And basically what this app does is it converts a NeXT computer into a Macintosh, which is pretty cool. So now it is booting in to Mac OS. Welcome to Macintosh. So I've got it working, and we'll make sure it goes all the way into the operating system. Jamie, I know you'll be happy to see this one. This is just on my mono turbo, and I'm going to migrate it over to your turbo cube next. So we'll make sure it goes in, and there we go. So now we're looking at Mac OS on a NeXT computer, which is pretty neat. Make sure it comes up. So that takes about roughly 2 minutes to go into to convert from being, and this isn't an emulation, it actually is booting up as a Macintosh, running system 7.1. But it will be interesting to see how late of a version we can put on this. I believe it'll run a little later version, but I haven't tried it. So, still chugging away, which is good news. And there comes the icons. So we are officially on the Mac. And if I go to Special, I can shut it down. There we go.